3, dribble, shoot that ball. Okay. Kagaya sa basketball game, etong ring. At yung mga lobo, yan ang sayong bola. Okay. So, pag sinabi kong player number 1, paano ka mag-dribble sa basketball? Mami, show me your dribble. Gusto ko yung faster. Daddy, fast tayo kuya pala. Okay. Pag sinabi pass to player number 2, pass player number 2. Pass player number 2. Ayan. Pag sinabi ko naman, paano ba ang spaghetti pababa? Okay. Show me your spaghetti pababa, kuya. Spaghetti pababa. Paano ba? Paano? Yan. Kate. Spaghetti pababa. Ayan. Pag sinabi pass to player number 3, paano ba mag-look up si Liza? Look up. Okay. Pass to player number 4. Okay. Paano ba mag-cha-cha si Liza? Cha-cha. Okay. Pass to player number 5. Paano ba mag-exhibition sa basketball? Exhibition. Okay. Ikot na lang. Ayan. Very good. Pass to player number 6. Paano ba mag-ocho-ocho? Ocho-ocho. Ayan. Okay. Pag narinig ang tatlong word, shoot that ball, kung sino ang nakaharap ng lobo, pauna i-shoot sa ring. Intende? Okay. Read to 3 tayo. Kung sino maunang makatatlong points, panalo. Kung sino ang natatalo, may panggusta at hindi nyo magugustuhan. Okay. Ready na boys? Boys, ready? Girls? Okay, para sa player number 1. Ang lobo. Mabilis to madalas mabilis. Alert. Okay. Dribble. Pasok number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spaghetti ba? Pasok number 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spaghetti ba? Look up. Spaghetti ba? Dribble. Exhibition. Pasok number 4, 3, 2, 1. Spaghetti ba? Exhibition. Pasok tayo number 4, 5, 6, 2. Spaghetti ba? Ocho. Dribble. Spaghetti ba? Pasok tayo number 5, 6, 4, 6. Spaghetti ba? Shoot the ball! Okay. Ganun lang kadali. Okay. Practice pa lang po yun. Okay. Practice pa lang po yun. Okay. Dapat paunahan ha. Okay. Ready? Pasok tayo number 1. Dribble. Exhibition. Spaghetti ba? Pasok tayo number 2, 3. Spaghetti ba? Ocho. Look up. Cha. Pasok tayo number 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 2. Spaghetti ba? Ocho. Dribble. Exhibition. Pasok tayo number 5, 6, 4. Spaghetti ba? Ocho. Exhibition. Pasok tayo number 2, 3, 4, 5. Spaghetti ba?